Hi, good morning. My name is Dr. Shah. I'm one of the plastic surgeons practicing in the suburb of Chicago. I've been practicing for last 34 years. I'm on the staff at Close By Hospital as well as I'm on the teaching faculty at University of Illinois. My main area of expertise is cosmetic surgery, including liposuction and body contouring. You might be wondering, why am I talking about non-surgical way of reducing the fat? The reason behind what I saw the results from the freezing the fat or technical came by Zeltic company Cool Sculpting, I was really excited. And the latest machine that came about has a really minimum side effect, minimum problem, and has lot better result than what they had in the past. So what it is basically a fat reduction technique where there is no surgery, there is no downtime, there is no anesthesia, and people can literally go back to their regular activity within same day. What technology came about from really Harvard University, one of the scientists observed that kids who sleep with the icicle in their mouth, apparently they had atrophy of the cheek on that side when they were using again and again. So they had the technology, they know that maybe the ice does help to freeze the fat. Some concept came. And then they did an investigation and multiple years of study. Finally, they came out with a technology where that can be applied to the clinical setup. And as you know, all of us has some of the stubborn fat. After baby, maybe fat on your lower belly, maybe love handles, maybe saddlebags, double chin. So, and people are deathly afraid of surgery and anesthesia and downtime. So this technology came out just like Botox came a few years ago for the wrinkles, which completely revolutionized the whole facial aesthetic arena. So Cool Sculpting has that kind of capacity. So what it does basically, you come in the office, we determine what area of the treatment that needs to be done. There are different kind of hand pieces that are available, including a standard for the abdominal area, which I will show you. This is what we call a Cool Core. And if they need a smaller area of the fat reduction, just like under the chin, we have what we call a Cool Mini. People who need a larger area of the fat reduction, we have what we call a Advantage Plus. And the latest thing that came about for the upper arms, they call Petite, Cool Petite. And with this handpiece, we can treat multiple area of the body, including brow roll, banana roll, fat pad over the knee, and different parts of the body where a localized area of the pinchable fat is available. Let me just show you some of the before and after results on some of this treated area. This person had double chin, was treated with a Cool Mini, and required like a 2 treatment, and this is after 12 weeks after the second treatment. Another individual treated with the abdominal area, and this is after the 2 treatment. Again, emphasizing many people need more than 1 treatment to achieve the end result that what they are looking for. And for the man, particularly the lower handle area is the one you can see. This is one before and the correction after that. You can also treat the outer thigh, you can also treat the inner thigh as well as your upper arm too. So I'm so excited to talk about this technology. We're also going to have a live demonstration of this technique by my partner and son, Dr. Samir Shah, on Monday, August 7th at 11:30. Please join him. We're going to demonstrate on actual person how this technique is done and how comfortable individual is. Other exciting thing that we're also going to have in our office on August 9th, Wednesday 7th, Wednesday August 9th, at about 11 o'clock up to 1 o'clock, we're going to have a lunch and learn. But the sittings are limited. Please call our office 708-424-3999. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, any concerns, areas of the body that you are concerned about, please write to us or call us. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.